welcome to Shopping with Shana.
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. I know my voice sounds a little weird. Sorry guys, I'm dealing with a summer cold and I'm doing the best I possibly can, but I do have a really great video for you here at Meijer. We have some awesome Meijer must-do deals that are happening from Sunday, July 17th and going through Saturday, the 23rd of 2022. Now before we get going, if you like Meijer videos, please let me know by leaving me a comment below, making sure that you are subscribed to the channel, hit the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, and then also give this video a great big thumbs up. Help me get the reach out there to other Meijer people so that I can continue to do these Meijer videos for you, because let me tell you, this week is super hot. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so do take note that we have a really cool freebie at Meijer gas stations. So only at the Meijer Express, when you go into the gas station, you can grab a free hot dog on Wednesday, July 20th. Make sure you have this loaded into your in-perks, and then just stop by your gas station and grab one of these. Now, unfortunately, the Meijer right next to me does not have a gas station, but we do have one that's a little bit further away. I am planning on doing a little bit of driving that day to take my kids somewhere, so we may be able to swing by that Meijer to grab my free hot dog, but I definitely wouldn't make the full trip there just to get the hot dog. However, if you have one near you, it would be worth grabbing. So load that digital and then set yourself a reminder in your phone to go grab your freebie that day on Wednesday, July 20th. All right, let's start out with an awesome freebie here, the Pond's Anti-Aging Cream 1.75 ounce. This can be found in like the travel section. These are regularly priced $2, and we have a 3-off-1 in-perk that's attaching. Now do note that the 3-off-1 in-perk will not give you overage. It will reduce down to $2, but you're gonna grab one of these for completely free, which is a pretty awesome deal. Next freebie deal here is the Biosteel Drinks. You want to grab 2 of them, or of course you could grab 4 of them and get all 4 for free. They're regularly priced $1.99, and the sale this week is buy one, get one. Out of pocket, you'll pay $1.99 for every 2. So if you buy 4 of them, obviously you'd pay $3.98. Then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. You'll get $1 back for each one, making them all completely free. I have no idea if these are really good, but it's worth trying out when they're completely free. Let me know in the comments what you think of this product. I bet you're sick of seeing this deal every single week, but I still have not been able to get mine. Let me know in the comments if you've grabbed yours. But the Fairlife Ultra Filter Plain Yogurts, 24 ounce, regularly priced $4.99. There is $1 off one in-perk again this week. So if you can find it, it's $3.99, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $5 back on one. Its final cost is going to be free and $1 moneymaker. I can tell you I have been to my Meijer about 5 or 6 times since this deal has been available, and I have yet to find this product. So we just sold out, and then they did not refill it, or I don't know, maybe I just keep missing it every time it comes back into stock. But this would be a really great deal if you can find it, and this will be the last week for this particular in-perk. It's going to expire on the 23rd, but of course next week, as long as the Ibotta rebate's still available, you could still grab it for free, or maybe there'll be a sale price on the Fairlife, or maybe there'll be another in-perk, you never know. But either way, still a really great deal and moneymaker this week. Next, we have the Fairlife Ultra Filtered Flavored Yogurts. So if you really want to do this deal, and you know that digital is going to, or I should say that in-perk is going to expire this week, you want to make sure you use it. You can use it on these products, the flavored yogurts. Now these will also be out of pocket $3.99 after the in-perk. Now the Ibotta rebate is not quite as good. It's only $2.50 back on one, a limit of 1 time. But final cost just $1.49. That's a great price for a 24 ounce container of yogurt. All right, Blue Diamond Extreme just got even better at Meijer this week. Now these are regularly priced $3.69, but we got a sale price this week of $2.99. Now we did have $1.50 off one digital coupon or in-perk coupon. Last week it did expire, so we no longer have that available. There is a $1.25 printable coupon from coupons.com. Now, I understand some Meijer stores do accept printables and some do not. So if yours does not accept it, you can still grab this deal and submit your receipt to coupons.com app for $1.25 back. Final cost is, or out-of-pocket cost is going to be $1.74, and then Ibotta has that $1.50 off back on one, a limit of 5 times, making the final cost for one of these just 24 cents. So a pretty good deal there. Ocean Spray Frescas. This seems like a pretty new product. It's a 64-ounce bottle of juice. It's regularly priced $3.29. We have a $1.50 off one in perk. So out of pocket, you'll pay just $1.79. But then Ibotta also has a rebate for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 3 times, making the final cost just 79 cents for one of these. It looks like it's a great price to try it out. I'm definitely going to grab mine when I head up to Meijer. All right, so I've got a couple of different razor deals and scenarios for you. Now, Schick and Skintimate razors, those types of things, as well as the Bulldog shaving products. It's $4 off instantly when you spend $15 or more. So obviously you can change this deal up with different products if you prefer. But one of the scenarios I put together for you is to grab one of the Skintimate disposable razors that are regularly priced $6.29, and then grab one of the Schick Hydro 5 razors that's regularly priced $9.99. That total is going to be $16.28. $4 will come off instantly because you spent $15, and then you can use the 3 off 1 Skintimate in perk as well as the 4 off 1 Schick in perk. Final cost is going to be $5.28 total, or basically just $2.64 each. There's also coupons at Smart Source 717 if you need to do this deal multiple times, or if maybe you wanted to grab a couple of the different Skintimate razors and use those coupons, but you do have coupons available in Smart Source 717 that can go with this. Now let's talk about a Bic deal. So grab 2 of the Bic Soli disposable razors that are regularly priced $5.19. Now, Soli, there's several different kinds. Some are $5.19 and some are $5.99. So definitely check and make sure you have the ones that are $5.19 for the best deal. Total is going to come to $10.38 when you grab 2 of them. $3 comes off instantly when you spend $10, and then there's a 3 off 1 in perk. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any other coupons to go with this. I was hoping we'd have like an insert coupon or something. So possibility that we may see something pop up this week, maybe some kind of printable coupon or something like that, or you can submit to coupons.com app. But for right now, the final cost is $4.38 total, or $2.19 each. Next deal is the Febreze Unstoppable Touch fabric sprays and odor eliminators. These are regularly priced anywhere from $4.99 to $5.29, but they're all either going to be regular price or on sale for $4.99 each. There is a 3 off 1 in perk, making that final cost just $1.99, which is a pretty decent price for the spray. All right, I thought this was a pretty sweet deal. There's these stadium cups. There's 2 right here, like the Pokemon cup, or there's that unicorn cup. These are just fun kids cups. They're regularly priced 89 cents. There is a 10% off on 1 or 20% off on 2 party supplies in perk. So if you grab 2 of them, it's a little bit better of a deal, and your final cost is 71 cents. And of course, this in perk could work on lots of different party supplies, but this is just one scenario that might interest you. Next deal we have is the Dean's Dairy Dip. These are regularly priced $2.59. There is a $1 off 1 in perk, so your final cost is just $1.59. We also have a really great deal on the Breyers Ice Cream. Now, you always want to double check your fetch and make sure that this rebate is still available to you later on in the week, but it should be good at least through the 19th. So grab 3 of the Breyers Ice Cream cookies and cream. It does specifically have to be the cookies and cream. Talenti is also part of the fetch, so you could do this with the cookies and cream Talenti as well. Now, these are regularly priced $4.79, but they're going to be basically $4 each when you buy 3 of them, so 3 for $12. You do have to buy 3 in order to get that price. There's also a $4.50 off 3 in perk, so make sure that's loaded. And out of pocket, you're going to pay $7.50. That's a great price for 3 of them. And then on top of it, you can submit to fetch for 1,000 points. And it's up to 5 times, so you can get 3,000 points back when you buy 3 of them. Final cost is $4.50 total, or $1.50 each. The only thing that may be kind of disappointing is that you do have to buy 3 of the same cookies and cream ice cream in order to get this. The other thing that may be concerning is that because it is so specific, your store may be out of the cookies and cream when you go. So take that into consideration when you go shopping. All right, next deal is the Noosa frozen yogurt gelatos. I've actually never tried these. Let me know what you think of them. You want to grab 3 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $4.49. The sale this week is buy 2, get 1 free. Out of pocket, you're going to pay for 2 of them, $8.98, and then you're going to get an extra $2 back from Ibotta. Now, it is the only limit of 1, unfortunately. Otherwise, we would get it back per container. Final cost, $6.98 total, or $2.33 each. All right, next deal we have here is the ratio yogurt. Now, you could do these on the keto-friendly or the protein yogurt. It doesn't matter which one you do. However, the keto-friendly is slightly cheaper by 20 cents. So I put together this scenario for you. Grab 5 of the ratio keto-friendly yogurts that are regularly priced $1.39. Now, the sale is buy 4, get 1 free. And you can also use $1 off 4 in perk. So that's going to leave your out-of-pocket just $4.56. But then you can submit to Ibotta for an extra $1 back on 4. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost is $3.56 total, or basically just 71 cents each, which is a great price on this keto-friendly yogurt. Next deal is the Purox Detergent, the 128 ounce or the 150 ounce, depending on which one you get. They're regularly priced $9.49, but they're on sale for $8.99 this week, and there's also a 3 off 1 in perk. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $5.99, and then you can submit to Ibotta for another $1 back on 1, limit of 5 times. Final cost for this huge bottle of detergent is just $4.99, almost a 50% savings, which is a really great deal here. Another really kind of cool deal going on is the Neutrogena or Clean and Clear facial cleansers or acne products have a deal going on. When you buy 2 of them, you're going to get $3 off instantly. So grab 1 of the Neutrogena acne washes for that's regularly priced $7.99, and 1 of the Clean and Clear facial cleansers that's regularly priced $5.69. Your total comes up to $13.68. $3 will then come off instantly because you grab 2 of them. There is a 3 off 1 Neutrogena in perk, and there's also a $2.50 off 1 Clean and Clear in perk. Final cost is going to be $5.18 total, or just $2.59 each. So a really great deal here. Now, this is just a great sale price. I wanted to include it so that way you knew about it. The Super Coffee K-Cups 10 count is regularly priced $9.69, but it's on sale for $5.99 this week, and that would be your final cost. So I thought that was a pretty good savings without any coupons needed. Also, a reminder that school supplies are on sale at Meijer, and teachers are getting an extra 15% off. So definitely make sure you are starting to prepare. I will tell you, July is going to be the best deals you're probably going to find. So keep an eye out for all stores to give you really great deals on school supplies, because as you get closer to school starting and we know that you need the supplies, they will tend to go up. You're going to always have sales on certain things, but definitely keep an eye out for the things you know you're going to need. And when you see them go rock bottom, make sure you purchase them. Alright guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media, and of course go down into the description box to join Ibotta or Fetch or any of the rebate apps that you don't already have. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. If you like Meijer, let me know in the comments. Have a great week. I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.